The second category are the 4 Ps that do not belong in your garage. And I'd like you to give me a hand to pull them out of here. The first one is paint. Grab the paint cans. There's another 2 over here.
Why does paint not belong in your garage? Oh, that's heavy.
Up on the cart?
Yeah.
Because the heat and cold fluctuations in the garage
can
really damage the paint.
Gotcha.
That's the 1. 2 is paper, especially paper products. Throw these on the cart. The reason that you don't want these in the garage is that paper attracts roaches and critters
bugs.
Into the garage.
Anybody who lives in upstate New York knows this one. Keep
Now,
the TP out of the garage.
I don't know quite why this is laying in the garage, but let's just get rid of that altogether. The next one is propane. Now, propane should not be in the garage because in the unlikely event of a fire, this can be a real obvious problem.
Obviously, yes.
So this should be stored outside in a shed or somewhere. And the last P is
thanks for not buying mine.
Now,
really?
The reason why pet food should not be in the garage is, again, it can attract raccoons
rodents
and other critters as well.
Exactly, rodents and raccoons.
With paperwork and with pet food, if they're in sealed containers, I might give you a pass on that.
You can keep the pet food in a bin if
That's right, but otherwise these guys should just completely disappear.
He's feeling, this is like the 5th P, purging. He's feeling really much better as he's pushing everything away.
So we're getting it. Yeah.